2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My favorite part of today was learning how you can really accomplish a lot in a short period of time. Also learning how you can maneuver these mats and these activities to fit into a classroom or into a hallway. You can have kids sitting on chairs, they don't have to sit on the floor. You can have them doing yoga and learning math at the same time. I can see myself using this in my classroom, definitely.
So it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4.
My favorite part of today was actually being involved in it, so actually doing the movements and jumping. I felt like I was able to solidify the information that I was getting because I was actively engaged in what I was being taught. So. I'm definitely going to use it because I see the vision. I know exactly what I want to do, and I feel like my students as well as me, I'm definitely going to benefit from it.